Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Grace, and on today's episode I'm gonna be sharing with you 10 tips that will make your home look more expensive. My first tip is to go for floor to ceiling curtains. Long curtains make a room feel bigger and luxurious. Remember that a good window treatment can add an instant luxe factor to that space. My second tip is to add vintage furniture. You can go for second-hand furniture pieces as this offers timeless beauty. Visit thrift stores to get such pieces. Get furniture pieces such as dressers, console tables, and accent chairs. My third tip is to mix up your textures. Instead of matching up your textures and have everything look similar, add glass, wood, leather, and also velvet and fur to your furniture and pillows. A mix of textures makes or rather brings a luxurious feel to a room. My fourth tip is to accessorize with metal finishes from gold, bronze, and silver. All these metals make a space feel more expensive and luxurious. You can go for metal light fixtures, wallpapers, furniture, and even accessories. My fifth tip is to go for hardware with gold finishes, matte finishes, or any other metal. This will make your room or your home feel more expensive. My next tip is to add architectural detailing like molding and trim work. Molding helps one to create more charm and character to a room. It is also a simple way to make your room look elegant and expensive. My next tip is to add a large statement piece of art. A huge piece of art just screams expensive. If you're on a budget, you can go for a second-hand piece of art. My next tip is to layer lighting. Add pendant lights and chandeliers to make your space aesthetic. You can also have recessed light on your ceiling. Don't forget to add table lamps and floor lamps for layering your light. My next tip is to add a wallpaper. You can add a neutral wallpaper or one that has texture or color depending on your style. Wallpaper makes a room feel elegant, sophisticated, cozy, and very high-end. My last tip is to repaint your walls. Repainting walls gives a fresh look to your walls and can make the space look more luxurious and expensive. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also check our description box for more information.